Okay, here we have a 2016 Byerly Buzz Wakesurfer from Byerly Boards, actually, which is a division of Hyperlite. This, for Wake and Water Warehouse, you might want to check our website out and check the price on that, because we're starting to get rid of some of these. We're starting to close some of them out. This has been, from our retail perspective, one of the best-selling boards that we've got. It's one of the more versatile shapes that we sell for wake surfing. This board is designed to give you both the benefits of a surf shape and of a skim shape. If you take a look at it, it's kind of surf shaped, meaning it's got a little bit more of a distinct tail, a little wider in the tail, and it has a typical kind of surf shaped tip at the front. What makes it really forgiving are two things really. One, the fin setup that it comes with. This board comes with 3 fins. It comes with 2 fiberglass future fins, which are right here. These are asymmetrical fins. They're super easy to work with. A future fin box just has 1 set screw that makes it real easy to switch out and to adjust. So you can simply slide these in as a single set screw right on the front of the fin box here, and that'll lock that in place, and it's just as easy as that to put them in and to take them out. So there's both of them. So that would be a typical kind of surf shape setup with fins. But it also comes with a single plastic fin that you can mount in the middle of the board. So if you want to loosen up the feel of the board, you can get rid of the surf fins, and you can add one of these little 2-inch fins that Hyperlite and Byerly both use. You can mount that down through. By taking out fins, just some basics on surfing, if you add a big fin into a board, it's going to make it seem slower. It's going to add some drag to it. So by taking out 2 and then just leaving 1, the board should pick up a little bit of speed. This is also a much smaller fin, so it's going to be a lot easier to spin and to break the board free if you're trying to do Surface 360s and things like that. Real nice, easy shape. It's going to be tough to see this, but it's got some subtle concaves down through the base of the board here. That gives it a little bit more adhesion to the water. It makes it a little bit easier to ride it directionally. And then when it comes to the spinning side of it, if you look at the bevel and the profile of this board, it's much more rounded. A lot of other boards that you see that are real skim focused are very sharp, very pointed. Those are going to grip and hold a little bit more, and you could use them, but this just, it makes it forgiving, and it also loosens up the board if you're trying to do those 360s. You've got a nice track pad on the top. It's got a kick up on the heel here, so you know where your foot is most of the time. A little bit of an arch bar here in the back, so you always kind of know where your foot is, and then it's got a track pad pretty much all the way up to the top of the board. Byerly Buzz, again, for us, has been a super popular shape. We've got people that love it. If you're looking for one board that can do anything, this is one of the better ones. Again, 2016 Byerly Buzz. Check it out on Wake and Water Warehouse and see what kind of deals we've got on it this week.